name is Colson and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing another Amiibo, Revali from Zelda Breath of the Wild. Now, this is really it. I don't really know. It says that you get stuff on the back. And yeah, I'm going to open it up and we'll see what this thing looks like. Alright, so now that this thing is open, this thing looks awesome, my god. Revali, to be honest, for me, is gotta be the worst one of them because of how salty he is. But I couldn't find any others, so yeah. This is Revali, but I couldn't bring just Revali here. I think that's how you say it. Is that how you say it? Revali. No T. God dang it. Revali. So, yeah. If you cannot hear in the background, I have my Switch. I have not gotten far in the game at all. And why is this... What? Oh god. Stay. So, I'm gonna input the Amiibo. And yeah, Amiibo. And here's the it goes. Oh, okay. Bomb arrows, Vault Fruit. I have not played this game a lot, if you cannot tell. Yep, I have not played this game a lot. I don't even know that nut was part of it. But let's open this. A diamond. So I'm guessing that it's a random occurrence that you get his weapon. I've not beaten him, but I played him for the Wii and I had to restart. I'm guessing you eventually will get this item. You can even get rare equipment related to the champion. Yeah, so I'm guessing you'll eventually get one. But yeah, that has been Revali. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.